Hello and welcome to Market Wrap with Raja. Today is the 2nd of September 2020, and the way the market behaved in the last 2 days, it is clearly indicative of a scenario in which you actually spray the pesticide on the ants, and they are not really sure what's happening, and then they are in a daze. So I feel that we are also right now moving in a daze, but it is definitely clear that we are not giving up. So the bulls have been sprayed with a heavy dose of bearishness, but then they continue to hold on. So that's what is my take. I am Raja Venkatraman, co-founder of NeoTrader and also a trading influencer. I've been in the market for more than 15 years. I've been happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Well, friends, formation of a doji yesterday, some bit of bullishness seen today, and the max pain point continues to hold on at 11,500. Well, the way the things are behaving, it is definitely indicating that yes, there is some hope for the bulls as of yesterday. So, and how the way it continued today, it clearly signaled that there is possibility of continued bullishness. But before we get into that area, let's try and find out what was the major performer for today. You can see that today, once again, that Nifty Media played out quite well, and it was followed up with Nifty Metals. Nifty Media and Metals, they have been in the news. They are managing to revive, and yesterday also Nifty Metals managed to do well. Today also Nifty Metals have managed to do well. So yes, Media Metals finished quite well, and there were hardly any laggards today. So the overall breadth, if you see, of the market, it finished at 360 advances to 140 declines. So which is definitely an indication that yes, the overall momentum is continuing to favor the bulls, and yes, the 11,500 zone was maintained, and yes, the overall prospects of continued upward traction is still intact. Well, that's what is the scene right now, but then we need to see how the market is going to pan out and how we are going to position ourselves for the session tomorrow. Yes, it's going to be an interesting expiry, and it's going to be an expiring where we are going to see some bit of action. All right. So talking about the expiry and talking about the way the markets are behaving right now, what I found on the options, especially on the Nifty, I found that there was quite a bit of shedding on the Nifty options around the 11,500 zone. So there has been a good addition on the puts, and it is clearly signaling that there are possibilities of continued upward traction. We had seen the 12,000 call which was getting built, and right now what I'm observing on the OI charts is that that particular scenario has cleared away. So there are a lot of sheddings at higher levels, so which is indicating that there are prospects of the Nifty going higher. Well, on the downside, 11,400 continues to be an important zone to watch out for. So 11,400 and 11,300 are the two supports to the downside. But I also observed some addition on the 11,000 puts. Well, we need to see, but that's too far away to be in contest right now. So what we'll do is for tomorrow we'll hold on to 11,400 and 11,500 as the key support levels. So that's the take on Nifty. We'll go down to the charts. Hold on, my friends. Stay along because I've got a very interesting discovery. As far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, in Bank Nifty, I found that the 23,500 zone continues to be an important area to watch out for. It is again being the max pain point where the entire focus of the market is relying on. And I will also show you on the charts as to why 23,500 is playing out to be a very important area. Stay along till the end and you will see that element discover for you. And the other point which I wanted to highlight was around 24,500. There has been a shift from 24,000 to 24,500 from yesterday. And so you can say that 24,500 to 23,500 is a range to watch out for tomorrow. So with that being said, the grounds being laid down, let's go down into the charts and find out what do we have in store. So yes, those of you who are watching my videos for the first time, I would like you to share and subscribe to our channel. And your love and support is very critical for us to go forward and take this entire analysis in a whole new dimension. So yes, this is the chart of Nifty. You can see here the chart of Nifty. It dipped down into the 11,300 zone. We had identified this zone. It said that this is a gap area, and nice shadows at the gap area clearly indicated that yes, there is a recovery in play. So now let's zoom in a little bit into this particular chart, and you will observe that yes, around this zone there is a triangle formation being formed, and this is an ascending triangle. This is an ascending triangle which is in play, and this ascending triangle is clearly indicating that there is room to break out on the upside. What is that upside? 11,550 is an important zone to watch out for. 11,550 is once you get a breakout above this, you have a move for around 200 points, which will actually challenge the highs, right? So this is what I wanted to share as part of the Nifty chart. Nifty chart is very beautifully positioned. This is called as an ascending triangle, and we are looking at a nice breakout zone. So yes, if we are heading into tomorrow after 2 days of dull movement, you can expect that tomorrow is going to be a firecracker session. And like I also mentioned to you, the option chains have opened up, and we could look at Nifty more than Bank Nifty for tomorrow. That's what is my take. Anyways, let's get down to our friend NeoTrader. Yes, NeoTrader is ready for you guys. And you can see here that right now we are at an important zone. 11,500 was a zone to watch out for, and 11,550, which I mentioned, was a key zone on the charts. And even the pivot levels at R1 is a clear indication of well, if the prices are not going to hold up, if they're not going to move beyond this, then nothing much to look forward to. But then if it does happen, then yes, there is a nice upward bounce till 11,722, which is possible because the closest to 11,722 is your R1 for multi-day, or yes, R1 for multi-day is the closest. So you could take that as a potential, and if that were to happen, then it would be a very, very exciting expiry going into tomorrow. So that's the take on Nifty. On the downside, you got 11,400 and 300. On the upside, you got 11,550 to contest with. And right now, Nifty is at the brink of 11,550. So yes, you have the answer. And some clue from NeoTrader also gives you that yes, most of the ranges are between pivot and R1, and we could be looking for some surprise tomorrow in Nifty. Now getting into Bank Nifty, what I observed is if I just go and take a look at the charts here. So let me take this low because this low, August low, was similar to the July low. So if I draw a Fibonacci retracement from the July low, I see that it has come into the dips have come into a very important one-third retracement around the 23,600 zone, and at that 23,600 zone there are continuous shadows being formed, and these shadows are indicating that yes, there is a buying happening at this level. So nothing is disturbed on Bank Nifty. So yes, my view is preferred for Nifty, but then Bank Nifty also is in safe hands. And as long as the pain point area of 23,500 is really disturbed, you don't have to worry about it because Bank Nifty right now is gearing up for some action. So yes, it's going to be a contest between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see who wins, but my vote is for Nifty. And now if you take a look at the setup on NeoTrader, our friend, our guide, you can see here that right now the prices of Bank Nifty are stuck between pivot and R1. So yes, right now we are looking at Bank Nifty, which is stuck between pivot and R1, and there is some attempt to move ahead. There is a confluence zone here. So any move above 24,000 is what we are looking at. So until 24,000 crosses, stay calm, stay focused, and once 24,000 is exceeded, you have your task cut out. It has got potential to go till 24,500. Yes, it's going to be a very, very interesting and exciting expiry. That's what the charts are telling us. That's what the option chains are telling us. Now let's get down into tomorrow and let's see whether we will be able to look at the markets in that way. All right, this is what I have with me. I hope you are not as dazed as the insects gets dazed by the pesticide which is sprayed on it, and you are able to recover quickly and go out there and make some money. All right, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked what I shared. I would like you to comment, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, and I would like you to share this video with as many people as possible, because this kind of structured analysis is not done anywhere on the internet. Thank you for watching this video. I am Raja Venkatraman, co-founder of NeoTrader and also a trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Have a good day, stay safe, stay healthy.